This is one of the last videos on this channel, but you can still sign up on the website. The brand will continue, the updates will continue. Make sure you register, you'll follow the link in the description, and you can still get the updates there. Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben, and today we want to take a look at the Chainlink chart. Chainlink has recently moved up quite a bit, especially from the June lows and the April lows, like the remaining crypto sector. So today we want to take a look at long-term targets, long-term projections, and we want to talk about probabilities and what the key levels are. Let's go. We are here on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. What you can see on our website here are the different sections: crypto section, the tech stock section, US stocks, and the S&P 500. If you register on this website, you can get access to all of these updates for free. Also, if you're interested in further updates, make sure you follow us on our new Instagram channel, The Market Intel. Now, let us take a look at the crypto sector. And I want to talk a little bit about Chainlink here. We start on the larger time frame, and I think it's just important to recognize what the key levels are here. So we overall want to get the price, first of all, above this kind of $38, $39 area, this previous swing high from the, you could say, bear market correction, this larger bounce that unfolded. That's a very, very important level that needs to be broken in order to unlock prices in that beige target area that you see on the chart, which starts at around $100. So we've got $100, $123, $138, $160. These are relevant levels, which are very much in line with our Fibonacci projections and targets for a third wave rally. That is sort of a long-term target range, but the minimum expectation would be a third wave to reach the $100 level in this particular scenario. But obviously, it's more like a long-term projection. We can't tell you really how long this takes, but it's good to have this as an overall chart to have the understanding of the context before we talk about the smaller time frames. Now, let us also talk about what the relevant levels are now on the smaller time frame. Now, it's very, very important that we're holding above the April low. So especially here when this swing low in magenta wave 2 formed, this April low must hold to keep any upside impulse potential in a third wave alive. And the $31 level is the next key resistance level that needs to be broken. That's kind of the next objective for the bulls to overcome, and then basically, just to drive the price higher in a third wave there in magenta, while obviously holding above the April low. Ideally, we even hold above the June low. Now, I have to say, once we break below the June low and the April low, which is a big if, the focus will shift towards lower targets, but that would not be the preferred interpretation. So in the preferred scenario, the price is actually bottomed in magenta wave 2 after we formed here a corrective pattern, and have come down in 3 waves. So the idea is that we are now potentially ready to really start a proper breakout. If that is really the case, if this assumption is correct, then we should see very soon significant upside momentum emerge and let the price drive above the $31 level. Please note that a third wave is normally the most aggressive rally in a trend. It also should unfold as a 5-wave sequence itself. Once we see the next 5-wave move up and then 3-wave pullback, we can add the next trading area to the chart. But so far, the price structure is, let's say, being followed here, the bullish structure, the bullish assumption. But we need some more patience because we need really to see that next wave of upside momentum come in. Overall, it's still looking promising in the altcoin sector. We had several 5-wave movements to the upside from the April low. So let's see if the link bulls can drive the price higher. You now know the levels. So let's see. The chart is prepared, but the bulls now need to show up and show what they can. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on the website. As I said in some of the last updates, this is one of the last videos on this channel, but you can still sign up on the website. The brand will continue, the updates will continue. Make sure you register, you'll follow the link in the description, and you can still get the updates there. Also leave a link, but leave a comment for us so that we know which coins you like to see in the next videos, and hope you have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.